Alright guys, this is Bronx Bomber signing in for the 50+ coin giveaway. Alright, I'm a day late, I know that, and I'm sorry guys. I had things that come up yesterday and had to take care of them. But anyway, we're gonna get to the 8th drawing for October 29th. Today's the 30th. I'll be posting this later on today. I guess you get to see it. Yeah, for the drawing today, it's gonna be 5 winners. 1902 Canadian quarter, 1934 quarter, 1940 Merc, a 1946 Rosie, and a 1957 Rosie. Alright, so anyway, I already posted the link up here, and let's get to the first one. Alright, we have our first winner, Dawn the Metal Detective. Congratulations on that 1902 Canadian quarter. Okay, let's get to the second drawing here. We're gonna start again, and let's go. Sean Sweeney. All right, congratulations, Sean. You won the 1934 quarter. Okay, let's get to the third winner here. The third winner will win a 1940 Merc. Let's go. Metal Detector New York with Swingin' Donna. Congratulations, Donna. You won that Merc. All right, now for the fourth winner, let's go. Julie Griffin. Congratulations. You won that Rosie 1946. And for the last winner, let's see, 1957 Rosie. Vasi at Treasure and Treats. Congratulations, you won that 1957 Rosie. Okay guys, this is gonna be the last bonus giveaway. It's gonna be the 5 coins that I promised. So here we go. Alright, we got Pasado Canario. Alright, congratulations, man. You just won those 5 coins. You know what you gotta do. Give me your address. I'm gonna post my email below. I'm also gonna post my P.O. box. Anybody wants to send me their stickers, you're more than welcome to. I appreciate it. I want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. I also like to thank the newcomers who just recently subscribed. Thank you for subscribing. There's like 40 something videos. You can start watching those until you catch up. Okay, so I appreciate you guys. Now, this is going to be the next drawing, which is going to be, let's see, it's going to be November 12th. This is going to be the last drawing, and the last drawing is going to be 12 silver coins for the last drawing. I won't be doing any more drawing. That's going to be 50 plus, probably 60 coins that I've done giveaway with this included, the drawing for November 12th. So the 12 coins are going to be a 1964 quarter, a 1954 quarter, a 1944 quarter, 1947 Rosie, 1948 Rosie, 1958 Rosie, 1961 Rosie, 1946 Rosie, a 1953 Rosie, a 1962 D Rosie, a 1952 Rosie, and a 1956 Rosie. Those are going to be the 12 coins on the next drawing. So what you got to do, you got to like, comment, subscribe. You can share my videos. Post them out. I mean, this one here, we only had like, what, 38 comments or 39 comments. I'm surprised. I would think it'll be like 100 or something like that. But yeah, this is going to be my last drawing in the next couple of weeks. I'm not sure what's going to be happening, but I might be relocating probably to Florida, more likely. I'll keep you posted on that. Yeah, so this is it. I'm gonna post pictures of the 12 coins, so you'll see that at the end of this right here. And anyway, I want to thank everyone for subscribing. So you know what, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Congratulations to the winners, and congratulations to the future. Good luck for the future winners. So anyway, I'm gonna sign out. This is Bronx Bomber. Take care. Peace. Well, I know somebody commented they wanted to see the parrots. They was wondering what was that noise in the background. Well, here you have it, buddy. All right, Mr. Quaker, you want to sign out? You gonna say something? All right. Anyway, I'm out. Peace.